a bird whisper.
Ah!
Oh, shoot.
Wait a minute. I'm going to grab it so I can get that off of his foot. Jump down.
No, you're going to take it from her, Erica.
They're headed down to Erica.
You're going to have the box ready.
Just throw it in here.
Don't throw it.
Put it in there.
Hurry.
Ah! Girl,
Hurry up.
In there.
it's wrapped in the towel. You got to pull the thing.
Here it comes, here it comes.
Good shit. You said you got to
Woo, there it goes. It's off.